Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, maybe go ahead and go to the left panel right here, click on more, check if there's spam. Okay, maybe the email is right here. Now, if it's not in here, maybe you're not receiving any email from one or more companies or persons. Okay, so what's the problem? The main culprit for that is that you don't have enough space in your Google storage. Okay, so say for example, it says here 15 out of 15 and it's red. So how do we fix that? You're gonna click on this icon and it will open up your One.Google account. You could either subscribe for more storage or scroll down and click on see all plans right here. And then you'll be landed to the Google One home section. Go ahead and click on storage. Now in here, if it says there are more files on your Google Drive, well, you can just go ahead and go to Google Drive and delete videos or stuff that you don't need from here so that you could go ahead and free up space. All right. And also make sure that you do have a stable internet connection. That's it. That's how easy it is to fix Gmail if it's not receiving emails. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.